Hi friends, in this quick tutorial, I will show you step by step how to create this simple basic line chart in Tableau. First, let's connect our data. So let's go to the data source and then select your Microsoft or CSV source file. So in this example, I'm using this sample file for sales trend data. You can also download the same file from the link in the description below. Then I'll just click open. And now our data is loaded. So we can now start creating our line chart. So I'll just go to sheet 1. So our data is pretty simple and straightforward. We just have the date and the sales. So to create our line chart, I will start by dragging the sales into the rows shelf. Next, I will drag the date into the columns shelf. So as you can see by default, a Tableau displays the entire year, showing the total sales for the year. So that's why it's just a dot instead of a line. But we want the trend. We want to see the sales trend month by month. So let's change this one from year to month. So to do that, I will go to my columns shelf and then click this arrow down button on the date. Scroll down, and as you can see, the year is selected by default. Let's just change that to month. And there you go. Now we have the line chart showing the monthly sales trend. Quick bonus, if you want to add data labels on your chart, just drag the sales into the label. And there you go. Now you can see the total sales per month. And then if I want to maximize the view, I'll just select entire view instead of standard. And then one last bonus tip before we end this video, you can also customize your chart using these options on the left. So you can change the color here. You can also adjust its size. Oh, maybe not too thick. And customize your chart however you like using these options here. Check out my other tutorials to learn more about Tableau. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or video requests, feel free to drop them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.